start a new science project. Okay? I have a mystery bag in here. And I want inside are little objects, and they're going to tell us what we're going to learn about. Okay? You're actually going to take it, you know how to do it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And you can smell inside the bag.
Mint. I don't know.
Okay, now, I want you to close your eyes and reach your hand inside. One at a time.
One at a time.
One at a time, reach your hand inside.
Everybody close your eyes.
Just have a seat.
Hold on. Careful though. Careful. Carefully.
It smells good. It smells like mint. Yeah, it smells like mint. It smells like my grandpa's plant.
Leave it. Leave it in there. Just feel.
It smells like mint. That smells like my grandpa's plant. I think it's a plant.
Leave your supplies in your box.
What do you guys think is in there?
Yes, some
Why
like.
do you think there's a plant in there?
Because I think there's leaves in there. And it has like a cup.
Let's take everything out one at a time.
I knew it.
And I'll tell you what each cup.
That looks exactly like my. I'm pretty sure that's the one that where you could like eat.
We have some seeds.
Oh my goodness.
We have some.
I like smelling dogs.
Okay, we'll close it.
Do you want
Okay, so this is called soil, okay? So we have our soil, we have our seeds, we have our cups that we're going to use for what?
putting the soil and the plant?
Yep, and then this cup, I don't know if you can see it, but you see how I made a little hole at the bottom? We're going to use this to water. You know how you get the thing you water the plants? Well, we're going to use this. So we're going to put a little bit of water and it'll just drip around. And you guys can get it from the
Oh, that's cool.
So, I want you two and you two to talk for a second. And what do you think we're going to learn about the values? There's a lot of things you can learn about.
Gummy. Yeah, you can make gum out of it.
Yeah, but I don't think we're making gum. I would take some gum.
I'm gonna get
I ate a whole plant.
So, this is what we are going to learn about. So, we are going to learn how plants grow.
So my friends, today we're gonna be
We're going to
making
learn the different stages of plant growth. We're going to learn, but we're also going to be observing a couple different things. So we'll get into that because we're going to teach these plants for the next year. Okay? But we'll get into that. So now,
First, the seed coat lets some water through to the embryo, but the embryo needs more than just water if it's going to grow. Good thing, there's a whole bunch of plant food right there inside the seed. Until the plant can make its own food from sunlight.
okay, so we're going to start, before we get into this, we're going to start with Mackenzie, here's yours, Cody, Levi, Kira. Okay, so we're going to start with the KWO chart. Who knows what a KWO chart is? You know, Levi?
How to plant them.
Yeah, so it doesn't have to just be about plants. It can be about anything that you're learning. So it's K is what you know, the W is what you want to know,
And the arrows want to know.
what you learn. So we're not going to do that. For now, we're going to start off with what I know. You guys are going to write in this first box what you know about plant growth. You can write a sentence or post some words that you can think of. What you know about how plants grow.
So first I
Please.
ground it, dig a deep hole, and then I cover it, and then I put on water, and
Soil.
Wait, have you soil?
We have 10
S-O-I-L.
I did land, water, and sun and snow.
Yep, that's right. That's what I wrote. I said plants grow. They need water, light, and soil.
So kind of the same thing I did. But that's what I did.
You can do the other.
Okay, so the next one is what you want to know about
You're coloring 8,
how
you're doing
plants
10
grow.
and 8
How's
and
that
10.
help?
What do you want to learn?
18, that's right. Good job.
I wrote, oh, how the system works, right there.
Yeah. I like.
I wrote,
You can go down and figure out how to make plants.
right there.
How do you make system?
S-Y-S.
You're right.
So it's U-R-E. Oh. Okay, so I wrote that I don't know what happens if the plants don't get water.
They just died. I did that one. I did too much water once too. I did like a little cup.
Okay. And then I also wrote, can plants grow in the dark?
Yes, we saw. We went to the Jesus Christ and then we did a sun and that
They can still grow in the dark? Okay. Do they grow the same?
They go the same. They were kind of
That's very nice coloring. Well, we're actually good job coloring. That's what we're going to be doing. So now, what is it called? Oh, who? No, who is W-H-O?
Hello? Hello? And I did put hello. How do you say
O-M.
Wait, what do we do? W-A? Oh, yeah. Who figured out?
Okay, so
No. Wait. A UT. Let's go out. A UT. Who figured out plants?
do we want to plant some plants first, or do you want to wait after this stage?
Wait.
Okay.
So Sandy,
Or is this gonna teach us how to plant?
So this next one, go to the next one. The next one is what plants need. What does this plant need to grow
Can I
perfectly?
do one? Can I just put it on my
Go
table?
ahead. Tell me out loud too.
Light, water, light, soil,
Soil
and air.
and air.
I know that.
You ready? Okay. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we talked about it. Yeah, definitely need to see it. So who wants to tell me how are plants similar to people?
They don't walk. People walk. You walk. And then that.
Okay, we write.
They drink water.
They drink water.
They're healthy.
They are healthy as long as you take care of them.
They grow.
They grow.
And we grow.
How do we grow? Good job.
From eating.
From eating.
From getting older.
Yeah, getting older, but how do they get older?
From water.
We need
water.
sunlight.
We need
for vitamins.
Oh yeah.
We need sunlight for vitamins, and we need water and air. And, I mean, good, yeah, because that's something I didn't think of that, but yeah.
How do you spell what do plants need? Oh, soil. And what do plants need next?
So what do you have? Water, sunlight, soil, and what else? I put air, but we thought it was
Air? What? Lana.
you have to start with the seed.
There, I'll put pollen.
How can you tell if a plant is healthy?
From seeing if they're like,
Okay,
yeah, like this flower.
like that, like this flower. So is this flower healthy or?
No.
What do you think it needs?
Water.
Water, air, and sunlight.
And air. And soil. And water and soil.
Yeah. But how do you tell if a plant is healthy?
If it's like blue activated. And it has and it has water, light, and soil. If the leaves are not red.
Okay, so if it's green, if it's standing tall and straight up, and if it has nice pretty leaves like this, right? That should work. Okay. Well, we'll do this now. Okay. I want you guys to find me how to do this. The boys are plant. It's very fun. You guys can take these home. Because we're going to use these for the rest of our.
So close.
We're going to use these for the rest of our.
So close. I'll
Our observation. Okay, right
What's
there.
that?
Have them together. I want everybody's eyes up here. I'm making them.
Okay, we're going to give you a scoop. You're going to put the scoop in your
Turn around.
Dump it in your, that's all I guess you guys can do. Here you go.
I'm going to count together. Ready?
Scoop into your cup.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite smell.
Okay, for now.
Are you in your office?
And we're going to put our seeds in there.
I'm sending a girl from the podcast to the body lens.
You weren't in here, right? Don't make a mess though, because you guys got your papers. So. Oh man, these seeds are tiny. Put them on this lid. Is that yours? No, you can add more. Like about halfway.
Like this?
More.
Okay.
Now,
I want to scoop it in.
This? Yeah. There's another cup.
Okay. Now I want you guys to count the blue ones. The rest of the blue ones. Ready?
Okay, and then dump some seeds.
This is the
Okay?
extra cup.
And then dump some more on top.
My turn. Is it my turn? I need a different one.
Not yet. We're going one step at a time. Take care. Now, count the red ones with me.
I'll hold it. I want to eat it.
Okay, that's good. I mean, sorry.
Let's try that again.
That's good. I think that there's a big old wood chicken here.
How many are
No.
there? Be very careful, my friends.
Oh, it's my favorite smell though.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
Plus,
So it's not your favorite food. Okay, that's enough. Is that too much?
Oh yeah, for
Can
now.
I just squish it down there?
A little bit. You want to have some air in there.
I want to
Remember.
eat.
You want some air in there. Cover it.
He ate it. A little tiny one.
Okay. Did you cover it?
Tastes good.
Cover it. Cody, you gotta cover the seed, okay? Sorry, I'm making a mess on your desk. Did I put seeds in yours? No. Is that some of this up?
Yeah, there's some more like these. Do it with each other.
Okay.
Yeah. Fun. Yeah, I think it has. No, yeah. What about its baby?
We'll water it.
I'm pretty sure this one's mine because I put mine so flat.
Sorry,
Look how
I'm gonna
flat
mess
it
up
is.
your
Look how flat. Yeah.
You take care of them and see how they grow if you want, okay?
Look how flat it is.
We will. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know.
when you're done.
So we have two plants, like I told you guys.
Is there I think you have to
There. I did. That works? Okay.
What's the day?
So, okay, you're gonna do is we're gonna observe these two plants.
Color 10 first.
One of them is gonna have light. One of them is not gonna have light.
The one with no lights gonna win.
You think so? We're gonna observe them for until like next week.
So we're gonna
And we're
color
gonna
10
see. They're both gonna have water. They're both gonna have soil. They're both gonna have everything except one's gonna have light and one's not gonna have light. We'll write with marker A, the two will have light. And the one that says one will have light.
You're gonna color 10.
We'll need the plan. We'll write our plan down. Okay? It says what will change. So what's gonna change?
You should put L that has light
What's gonna change?
the growth.
What are we changing?
The seed.
What are we changing?
Light and
Light and no light. Write that down. One plant will have light and one plant will not have light. One plant will have light and one will not have light.
Can I just do light and
Light and no light.
Yes, color 10 blue. The first one will be very color 10 blue.
wait, light is A?
Light is gonna be A. Plant A is gonna have light and plant B is gonna have no light.
Oh, I see Miley's got it.
And then the next three sections it says
Soil.
what will stay the same.
Soil.
What else? What else is gonna stay the
Water.
same? Water. Air. Air. They're both gonna have air. Soil and water.
How do you put air? Add the seed.
A-I-R. Oh, but one here, soil, water, and air. Like this.
Mine's a
Soil, water, and
There's both
air. Rest red. Mix your seeds up. Go water them, okay? We'll see. We'll have to talk next year. Okay, so now, so what do you guys think is gonna happen with the plant that's not gonna have light?
It's gonna turn down.
It's gonna turn brown? Okay, so what you're gonna do is draw a picture of what you think. We're gonna make a plant prediction, okay? We're gonna predict. Do you know what a prediction is?
Yes.
What is it?
Like the thing that you think is gonna win or lose.
Okay, so you're gonna say what you think is gonna happen, but it may or may not happen. We don't know yet. We gotta observe plants. But we have to predict first what we think is gonna happen, okay? So we're gonna predict what plants need to grow. There's gonna be three sections. Yeah, you can draw a picture.
Perfect.
Yes, you can.
My friends, yes.
You're gonna draw a picture of what you think your plant's gonna look like at the end.
A big old bush.
These plants, the one that's gonna have light and the one that's gonna not have light. What do you think they're gonna look like at the end?
I get it.
So if we're taking the light away of one plant, what do you think is gonna happen to it? Do you think it's gonna stay the same? Or do you think it's gonna,
It's gonna go.
do you think it's gonna like flop over and not
Wait, which one are
survive?
you talking about? The no line or the line?
Oh, you're gonna have to do both. One is,
Put no line. No. Start drawing the
you can either start drawing it now or you can write your sentence. And I'll give you a
I
sentence.
feel like I got dirty.
So, you can jump it.
So I'm gonna draw the cup.
Right?
What number do you have? This one has 8 and this one has
normal flowers. It's easier than drawing this. I just couldn't find any ones with flowers. I wasn't thinking about that when I started this. Make sure you write 10 sentences, baby, right? What you need to write, predict what plants need to grow.
So now kids is asking, can we draw a 10?
So we already did that. We just need to write a sentence. Like my sentence says, I think plants need sunlight and water to grow. I think this because plants need sunlight to make food.
How can I draw a plant?
Just like people.
I can't draw a plant.
Just try your best.
I don't know what to do. How do you draw a plant? I don't know. I just did a bunch of them myself.
Just draw a bunch of stems with leaves on them. Perfect.
19 calendars is offering right here.
I'm done.
Okay, what is your sentence say? How do you say that?
Flower,
That's good. And why? Add a little bit more detail. Why do you think so?
Is that 19?
So you can write, I think this because. Huh? I would start with I think this because. So like when you complete sentence. So you can write the differences between the plants
can I draw
and why you think and why they're different. Why are they going to be different? Why do you think the plants are going to be different at the end? What's going to change? How it looks, but why?
I messed up. I put that on the switch. No. I messed up. B-A.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. So what do you think is going to happen with plant A and plant B? So you have to start plant A is yes. Okay, you're gonna have to say why.
I don't know. I don't know why.
Yeah, you can say that, and then you can say, I think this because it is white plant A. Okay, so we're gonna say, what is this one? Plant A. I think plant A.
Okay, my friends, now I want you to look at your drawing. How many of them are red?
Like the letter A. So I think plant A is going to.
Go ahead, Mr. Wood. Yes, sir.
A lot of sevens. Let's see what happens here.
When everyone's done, we're gonna go over there and set the plants up. And we'll water our stuff. Okay, so you said I think plant A is going to live. And you think plant B is going Not too much. I'll show you how to write.
My brother did. Like, I don't know why. in the winter, it's still growing.
So remember I told you that we're gonna do more like another day.
Okay. And then
We'll finish the rest of them.
I want you to draw seven.
So I can finish.
Yeah, so tomorrow, when we come back, or when we come back, when we come back from the weekend or tomorrow, we'll take a look at our plans and we're gonna write down what we did.
I'm gonna take it home today. Do we have to take it home today?
Yeah, so,
I know. They're gonna bring it back.
can somebody take these two plants?
What if mine dies?
Okay, so let's water. Yeah, you guys bring your plants over here.
I'm gonna bring mine.
Here,
Please, can I receive it?
okay, ready?
Wait, what happened?
Okay, so we're gonna hold it over the sink. No, not that. Sorry.
Do we do a whole cup?
Come out. Here.
Do we do a whole cup?
That way it's not coming out super fast.
Wait, we need a cup.
Oh, I'm doing the thing with the separator. It's not coming out as fast as I thought.
I think it's
Oh, that's good. And then it'll soak through.
Miss
Ready?
Jamie, but do we need to take one of those cups home?
Which ones?
That's what you're using for watering?
I can bring you one tomorrow.
Oh,
I never thought of that. That's good. We're gonna put it by that lamp.
I want
Here in a
one.
second. Just wait behind a cup. Oh, when we're done, you guys can
Can I
take it.
take it? I'll take it.
Yeah, you can take one when we're done. Though.
Yeah.
The cup? We need this cup to water those plants. No, not yet. That's good. Now let it soak in. Ready? Your turn.
Hi. I'm Cody. Why did I say it like that? Levi, what if we just...
Okay. You guys ready to water those
I'm
plants?
taking one hand. Yeah, actually I am.
Okay, here, you do it.
I want to do it.
Here,
I'm taking it.
here, you gotta grab it. Put it over.
Tell me when to stop.
Yeah, you can do
Guys,
it.
stop fighting.
Wait.
Tell me when to stop. Levi. She said I need that one.
Maybe one day we'll ask Miss Pierce. Okay. Next time we're gonna have to water it again tomorrow. You know. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little too much,
Okay.
maybe.
Levi, bring it over here. The other one.
Do we
Kira, can you put this one right under that lamp?
Can you put?
Under the lamp right there.
I'm ready. Because it looks like a football
You
goal.
can put them over here for now. You guys can take those.
Look, I want to put them on. Can we put our names?
I don't think you want it. Yeah, I'll get you a marker here in a minute.
Can I have this one? Wait.
What? At the end, next week, when we're done.
I can't believe you guys take one home. Can I use one of my markers? Is this it? Can
Yeah,
you
put
use my
more.
marker? Hey, Jamie. Can you use my marker?
Yeah.
Okay.
You think that's good?
What are you guys doing?
Now, so the problem in here is that we don't have a window, so we have to use a lamp. We need to pick which ones, plant A and plant B.
That's plant A.
This is plant A.
Yeah.
So this one needs to be by the light, okay?
Right by it.
Like right there is good. Okay?
That one, no.
These ones you guys can leave right here. Okay? This one's not going to be by the light, so we can leave that one
Right here.
right. Me too. papers. I'm gonna have to add these to your books. 'Cause
So
I
it
just
says,
printed
what is the
them.
highlighted number? 3. Everybody, what's the highlighted number at question number 3? Three. Good job.
I did
So,
have
you wanted to find
them
what
one, but they weren't here to see the plants at the beginning, so
We're gonna
it's gonna be
count 10
kinda
more.
hard to.
After 3.
You guys wanna do it?
One,
You guys want to?
two, everybody.
Oh, can you hand me those papers?
There we go.
I almost panicked. I thought I left them at home. Do you want to?
Count to 3.
I mean, you guys can still observe the difference between the two plants if you want.
This one was in the
Now we're
dark,
gonna count
this
10
one
more.
was in the light.
Okay,
So 1,
So Aiden's
2,
not dying.
3,
so this plant, both plants,
6,
um,
7,
had water, they had soil, they had everything. Just this plant was out
So
here in the
what's
light.
middle?
This plant was in the closet in the dark.
Alright, let me show
Okay,
you
so that's the difference
Yeah.
between the two plants we wanted to see. What did we wanna see?
Alright.
Can you guys tell them what we wanted
The
to see?
difference is
The difference
Highlighted
of
number is
what?
3.
the
go.
plants,
The
the two
plants
plants.
and what? And
How they change.
and how they change and how they grow.
3.
Okay,
Now we're gonna
so
count 10.
we have the plant observation sheet.
3, 4, 5,
Are you, I mean, you can have the book.
You can
Wanna hold up the chair? You can hold up the chair. Over there, over here.
13.
You do have a book. I did make you guys book, but you weren't here at the beginning of it. Okay, so we'll just skip that part. Here's your book. Okay? You guys can fill that part in later. This is gonna be what you know about plants, what you want to know about plants, and what you learned at the end, okay? Now, yes. Oh, I didn't know that was in there. I printed you guys another one. Okay, so yes, open up to this page, the plant observation sheet.
How do you draw it?
So you're gonna draw the picture of the differences. What do you guys see? What differences do you see?
Brass. Can you do
First
more brown?
box, right?
I'm gonna get my
Get
box.
your pencil if you don't
First
have one.
box, right?
Look at that.
So on this side, it says, this is what my plant looks like now. So this is the one with the light, so this is plant A. This is plant B, it has no light. Okay, this one had no light, this one had light. What are some differences you guys see?
This one's brown. This one's like brown.
Yes, yeah,
Do you look at
Alright.
my pencil?
yeah, you do.
Let me go
Okay,
get mine.
start coloring, or start drawing. The
Can we color?
differences. You can color, yeah, later.
Wait, do we gotta draw the plant?
You
Alright,
draw those plants.
so someone pick it up later.
Do your best you
And
can.
what was the first number it was highlighted? 3, good job. So
Some
now,
of them,
draw the number
which one looks better?
3,
This one. The light.
This one,
Yeah.
because it's green and it's tall,
right? And then
so the plant gets attracted to the sun.
Only
And
me and Levi
yeah,
taking
these
them.
ones are,
three.
well, I don't know if you really wanna take that one.
So, alright, and
That one's brown. Yeah.
Sam,
You wanna try to revive it?
He wants to be in the
13. on the
I know.
last one. 10 plus 3.
I can try to bring you guys the plant. Are you sure?
No, but
Well, I still have soil and stuff, I just gotta go get some seeds.
that's not- that's not-
Okay,
She's good. You're done with the.
make sure you guys are drawing, it's okay to ask questions, but
Miss Jamie,
you can color later.
Miss Jamie, Mom, I bring some soil and like
Go
plant
first, you
seeds.
I have soil, but I don't know, because this, we gotta ask them here, you have to lock up for you guys, too, okay?
That you like? No.
I do, it looks perfect.
Wait, those?
Yeah, I see a lot of brown leaves, I see a lot of, oh, look, this one's dry and crunchy.
And it's a
These are, this one feels nice and soft and alive.
And it smells good.
Yeah, there are a couple leaves that maybe didn't get light.
Here.
Okay, just give us a minute, okay?
Let them be. They're doing their own thing.
It's not fully, but maybe after it stays in the light, yeah.
I'm gonna color all that.
Maybe Friday.
Can I take this one? No, put it in.
I'll go, I can get more. Get more. You don't?
Can I?
Too much responsibility?
What if my dad is too?
I know.
I got.
I'll see. I'll go see if they have more. It is.
I think that's the one.
I don't have. Okay.
But I'd like to have some.
And maybe. Okay, so next, we're gonna write, so at the top it says, what has changed? Look at both plants and tell me what you see different. That's okay, we got time.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you're gonna write that on these lines. So plant B, make sure you write plant B. You gotta use plant B and plant A when you're talking about the plant, okay?
Because they don't know which one you're talking about.
We need to know, when we're reading your observation, we need to know what you saw. Okay, Cody, you can start writing your sentence. You're gonna compare plant B and plant A, so what you see. So exactly what you drew, you're gonna put it in words.
B is dead.
Okay, and brown. Yeah, Mackenzie said it's believed or
And
they're falling over too.
number
Letter A is the perfect, well, a little perfect. It still does have some leaves that are.
I said guys, you know, because one of them had it have water.
They both have water. They're falling off, I think.
Can I have one of the dead leaves?
Well, it depends whoever finishes their observation. I don't see very many of you have observations on paper. Thanks, you got it. I'm keeping an eye. L, E, A, B. Okay, so let's wait for our friends and we'll, got another one to do. Mess with them like that.
Not this one, okay? Just
What are some similarities you guys see with you? What are some similarities?
they're both the similarities. Both they're
What's the same about them? They both have stuff. What's inside the cup?
Soil. They all have soil and water.
That's soil and water.
And they have
This one's not fully. Do you guys think we could bring this one back to life? How? They already have water, but if they put light, the sentence.
here. Hey, whose plant is that growing? Can I have many now?
Are you guys done with your observations?
Jamie.
Yeah. Well,
I see it
later.
too. That's
Okay?
it.
Hey guys.
Look, I'm getting
Back,
a
okay? Let's come back.
What's that?
What do you guys expect to look like at the end of the week? We're done. Big, which one? That one? What do you expect this one to look like? We're gonna look at it again. We're gonna look at it again, okay?
Then color pencil.
At the end of the week, we'll look at it again.
You mean?
Okay, so let's get our next
No,
page.
you need to do the shot first. Mine? So,
Hey guys, everyone go to this page. If you finish, that's okay. Go to the page. This page. This one? The comparison chart. So this is plant A, light, plant B with no light. So it's kind of similar.
Sorry, but I don't know.
I put it backwards
And whoever does it,
before it. Accidentally put it backwards.
they get this pencil.
Look, I have these for you guys to
Yeah,
put at
so-
the beginning of your book.
I will hide it.
Okay, so we are gonna write, it's a comparison chart. Okay?
Ready?
We're gonna compare the charts. No, you're gonna get one of those. I ran
So
it
for Ben?
so I actually print it last night. Okay. So we are gonna write down.
Like chop the deadly stuff and then it grow.
Okay,
But who was supposed to stop?
we're gonna look at the plants and we're gonna compare them, okay?
You guys
So
are
we're
at your
gonna write
doctor's
some
office.
details about
And in this
plants in
doctor's
Liz
office,
T-chart.
can I get shots?
So on this, on
But
plant A,
guys,
that's with light.
guys, you are
This
in my doctor's
Kix,
office.
Kix and Avery and Abigail. Can you guys come over to the purple table, please?
Sure. Why?
Well, because I don't think my computer can hear me talking if you guys are talking. She won't. She understands because she knows what I'm doing over here. Okay, so plant A, we're gonna write some stuff we see about plant A. So plant A, what do you want to write? It's green. We can write green.
Green and healthy.
Healthy. We can write healthy. What else?
It's standing up.
Okay, standing straight up.
The leaves are not brown.
Okay. Okay, take your time. Green, healthy, H-E,
Healthy.
A, L, E, H, Y.
Do the next word.
Standing up.
Say it. How do you
S T
spell it?
A N D I N G. And then up.
UP. How do you spell it? UP.
What else?
Up.
What else do you think?
Pretty.
Okay, you can write pretty. It's growing. Pretty. Okay, now what about plant B? What do you notice about plant B? Right?
I just said it.
What color is it?
Brown.
It's brown and green.
You put brown and green.
Brown and green. It's wilted. The leaves. You, they're crunchy, but the word is wilted. The word is wilted. Okay?
Crunchy or wilted.
Yeah, you can.
How do you spell it?
B-E-A. B-E-A. U-G-I.
I like that.
L.
Buy.
For plant A, you can also write soft
But plant B is.
because it's soft. Plant B, crunchy, wilted. What else? Fried. Brown. It's brown and green, but it has brown. Wilted. Wilted is just like these crunchy leaves. It's technically called wilted. Plus, crunchy or dry. You don't have to write all of them.
I put it on here.
Okay, rolled up. It is rolled up. Is it standing up straight or is it falling over? It's falling down. C-R-U. Link. S-A-L-L. Sorry. C-R-U-N. U-N. G-H. Sorry. No, that's sorry. That's mine. Hear you? My phone was, someone was calling me, so it was vibrating on her chair. Okay. Is there anything else you guys noticed about the two plants? What else do you observe?
The leaves are falling down.
Okay. You write that? Yeah, you wrote it. Anything else? That's okay if you don't. It's a little damp still. This one has more. They're both damp. They both have water. They both have water. Is it? Okay, you can write that. You can put stem is purple
Can I do stem is green?
if you want. On the one with the light, yes.
Write a sentence
On this one, no.
because
This one's just words.
I got confused and then
Yeah, this one's a sentence. But if you didn't finish it, that's okay. We can finish it later. We're about to go to special. Okay, so you can color it later.
I don't want to color it.
When you take it home, you can color it. So
It tastes
when
good.
listen, guys, before we finish, hold on, wait. We're gonna finish this last part. Towards the end of the week, we're gonna give the plants a couple more days, okay? And then we'll finish it. Okay? Yeah. Bye-bye. Thank you. And we'll do this last part too, the what I learned. Yeah, just push the red circle. Just one red. That series. Take it out, but it's okay.
I have too much allergies.
Do you? Okay, so we're gonna start with our lesson 5, Cody. We're gonna start with our lesson 5 from our plant growth observation, okay? So I want you guys, while I pass out the books, Cody, while I pass out the books, I want you guys to look at the plants. Take a quick minute quietly by yourself, a quick minute to look at the plants and see what you notice. Okay? You guys can touch them, you can look at them, but I want you to think about what you observe on the plants.
It's really wet soil.
Quietly, okay, Cody?
The soil is really.
Here's Levi.
I didn't know you put this on there.
Here, you guys have your pencil?
No,
Yes, pencils. Go get a pencil. Yeah. So you can, right there, grab it, Kara.
It's mushy.
Okay.
It's falling.
Okay, now let's put it back. So this is plant B. Take a quick minute. Get your pencil. There's boxes in there.
Sometimes there might be.
Use that cup as a foundation and then we'll see.
So, okay, ready? This is plant A, so this is the one. Okay, Kira. Not right now. Grab your pencil. So this is plant A. It had what? Sunlight and soil. Plant B had no light. So we had it in the closet, in the dark, and we see some differences, right? So I want you three to take a minute to talk together about some differences that you noticed between the two plants and from the last time, and then you two from the last time you looked at the plants till now, and the difference between the two.
So a rabbit.
Up here, okay? Okay, let's come back. Okay, so let's see. Who wants to to tell me one change that you see. Raise your hand. Levi. It's really crunchy. Why do you think plant B is crunchy? Because it was in the dark. Okay. So plant A does have some spots that aren't doing so well, right? Why do you think that? You had too much light? That's possible. I think sometimes plants need break, right? Yeah, if it was outside, it would take a break from the light at nighttime, right? But we did leave the light on pretty much the whole time. Did they have the same amount of water usually?
Yeah.
We watered them every day, right?
I didn't want
No, when you took home? Okay,
Mine's great a little bit.
so
Mine's brown.
Cody, when we first started our plant journal, we made predictions. You guys remember making predictions in your journal on this page? Miranda, I don't think you were here. Prediction. We made a prediction of what's gonna happen to our plants.
Same thing when I thought it was. The same thing that
Okay, that's what I was gonna, yeah. So that's what I was gonna ask you, guys. Look at your, Cody, you guys come back, please. Look at your plant prediction and let's see if it is what's happening with plants. But today's our last day with the plants, so get our plant prediction and see, you weren't here, so yours is gonna. So what does yours say here? Because I think plant A is going to live. I think plant B is not going to live. I think the plants are, okay, so you didn't get to finish. That's okay. But do you think that's true? Is that what happened? Yeah, so if this was to stay in the closet a little bit longer, I think it would just be done? Probably. So what is yours say?
I think for B is going to die. I think it because it does not have
Like, why does it need light to live?
I'm like, I think
It's kind of like people. People need sunlight to get vitamins, because if they don't have vitamins, they can get really sick. Okay, just like the plants. The plant's getting really sick, right?
Can I put it in the sun now?
Yeah, after this, yeah. You can try to bring it back to life. You guys want to. Mackenzie, what does yours say? Okay, so that's somewhat true. It's doing pretty good, right? If it was outside in natural light, it would be doing even better. So we don't have windows in here, and we can't really take it outside. That's okay.
Let's see if I can remind.
Okay, so let's see. Who can remind us what plants need to grow? Tell us one thing, Kira. Water,
Soil.
soil, sunlight, air,
I don't know anymore.
to take care of them. Seeds, they start with seeds, people, they need people to take care of.
Babies.
Okay, so remember those words, okay? 'Cause we're gonna need them at the end. We're gonna write, we're gonna create or do a plant growth conclusion
Saw you writing
at the
it.
end. So those are important science words that you'll need to remember, okay? Before you flip to the last page, you guys remember this page that we did?
Yeah.
What I know, what I want to know, and what I learned.
Yeah.
Yep. And you still need to do the L. Get your pencil. The L is what I learned. We can't do what I learned until the end. Okay?
The end.
The end. That's okay. You can still do the L, what you learned. Okay, so what you learned? What did you learn, Kira?
About how the
You learned about how the plants grow. You can write that right here. Make sure you write it small. What you just said. That I learned what plants need to grow. Or you can say, I learned that plants need this, and this. Mackenzie, what did you learn? What is one thing you learned? Stick in your head.
That plants we die.
Okay, but that's not really what you learned.
No, the thing. Fast, fast, survive.
Perfect. I actually wrote that down too. Okay, so what you can write that. Plants need. If that's what you were thinking, if that's what you were thinking, then that would be perfect because that's a good example. So you can write that. Cody, what did you think? What is the? That's what you thought too. Did you have something different?
What is the plant?
The plant grow like what? So you always have to make sure you explain yourself. Okay. You said I learned that plants need light, right? That's what you said. To grow. That plants need, sorry, that plants need light to grow. I think that's what you said. Plants can grow in the dark. Why?
I
For
did
why?
outside guy.
Okay, so light helps provide food for the plants. Sorry.
Tino.
Do whatever you want with it.
Provide
Provide. PR.
a plant and like one.
Don't forget the S. You're gonna say provide. Vitamins. You know, as the vitamins.
Submit.
Look. I. Sorry, it's A. VITA.
These are fresh.
There you go, vitamin.
These are fresh leaves.
Yep. Okay, so is everybody done with that part?
Yes.
Okay, so I have another question. You remember the seeds you guys took home? Are you guys taking care of them? Are you? But how? What are you doing with them?
Put water and I take my window.
Okay.
My what? My
Are you putting a lot of water or a little bit of water? You don't want to drown it, then it won't be able to breathe. Won't be able to breathe, okay? Does anybody see anything pop up with her feet? Did you?
I forgot to look. I just want it.
No, that's
I didn't know what. I'm gonna I didn't.
that's not, it's up to you. You'll have to leave it for you. For you. If you want to show me, definitely show me. Okay, guys, let's turn to the last page. Guys, come back. Come back. Let's go to the conclusion page.
That those are the
Is there?
Yes, I checked and then I didn't really check it.
But you're trying to check this thing? I'll show you guys what to write.
I didn't know.
Yep, very last page. We're almost done with our plant growth. Okay, so. No, the last page, this one. Add the yellow background. Okay, so we're gonna do this together. It's gonna be a paragraph about the end of our journey, everything that we've learned, okay? So I have a sentence starter for you guys that says, my plant grew best with blank because blank. So you're gonna have to say, my plant grew best with what? No,
Yeah.
light. And then you're gonna have to say why. Because
Light.
you guys have to write the sentence right here. So you have to write, my plant grew best with. You guys can do it. You're in second grade. I hope you guys can write sentence.
I don't know what I'm
Okay, well, I mean, we can totally do it during recess. I mean, totally, you're fine. Start with that. Kira, start with my plant grew best with light. So let's start with that. So you have to write my plant grew with light because hey guys, let's come back. Start sentence. You gotta be eating before we started. My plant grew best with light because we talked about it. We just talked about it. No, just light. The only difference was light. So just light.
So I didn't talk about light.
Yeah, my plant grew best with light because
That's what plants need to
because this is what I wrote. But I want you guys to think about yourself, okay? So I said my plant grew best with light because plants need light to grow and make food. Right? And then I said the plant with light was taller and greener, but the plant without light was small and weak. Okay, what should I do? No. R-O-O-T. Okay, Kira, sit down and finish. Think about it. This is your part. I'm helping you a little bit. This is your guys' final exit ticket. That's what you think. Write it down. It does not have to be perfect. We're still learning, okay? We'll see. Breaking, B-R-E-A-K-I-N-G. So I would like a paragraph. So how many sentences are in a paragraph? No, one paragraph. Five. Okay. So you guys need to do the rest on your own. I gave you some help. Now you guys gotta figure out. Letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. And then you can also talk about what plants need to stay healthy. Okay, after you write your because, you can write about what plants need to stay healthy. Which we talked about several times. So you guys know what plants need to stay healthy. Okay, see, you do know. Yeah, so you do know. Don't second guess yourself.
I need two more sentences. I need sentences. How many new sentences? What is called brown? That's all I need to make 30
What you write so far? I plant grew best with light because the roots grow with leaves, water, and soil. But why did it grow best with light? What did we talk about? Why do plants need light? Because it's kind of like when you eat food. It's kind of like a plant eating food, and it gets its vitamins and.
So the plant like this.
Slide it. Nice man grew fast with light because there's without separation. Yep, that's pretty good.
Then do I talk about
Yeah. So it says, what do plants need to stay healthy? You can say plants need this, this, and this, and this to stay healthy. Did you write what plants need to stay healthy? That's fine. If you finish, you can give it to me. H-E-H-L-T-H.
I'm done.
Y. B, I, you can sit down, Shira. What did I say? B, I, T, H, M, I, N. Okay. When you guys are done, you guys can give it to me, okay?